kind of like in swampy areas.
Welcome to the rice field.
Some wheat,
The land of rice paddies.
and then wheat,
Whoa,
oats, and
that
barley.
sounds good.
So, kind of think,
Okay.
if I could ask you to put your voice on silent, and your brain on, mind on. This also really reflects a lot of the food that we might associate with Japan. Rice, certain areas maybe having more noodles with their food instead of rice. So if you were in the southern part, my guess is, and I'm not an expert, Sarah's lived there, if you were in the southern part of Japan, you might encounter more dishes that involve wheat with noodles, and maybe in the northern part, more dishes that had rice.
What about curry?
Noodles and noodle curry.
India.
That's India.
We'll get there in about 2 weeks. Week and a half, something like
I can.
that. Okay.
We have like Japanese cuisine.
We can do an Asian food day.
Ooh,
Okay, so look at your answer with your
Sugar
partner.
cane.
4, 3, 2, 1. A is a 4. We nailed it. We got like a whole bunch. Rick, I didn't get to yours, so if you guys want to use your iPad to check your predictions. 3 is, yeah, we did pretty good, but we missed a little. 2 is, and 1 is we tried, but we really missed
Did we
it.
go to 0 or 4?
Yeah, we got it. You guys, I don't even need to look. You probably got
Did we get a 0 or 4?
I know there's
Got
no
three.
zero.
I said they do like small trees and
Weeder,
grass.
weeder,
Freaking forest.
oated.
I said lots of crops
Wait,
and forests.
is rice and grass crops?
Yeah.
What's up?
No,
we got a 4. Is that wheat grass?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna say 3.
Nice job. So put your 4 in the margin and circle it.
confirming that with cherry blossom. One nice thing.
Yeah. There are cherry blossom trees in Japan. The ones in DC we got from Japan, and
Is this yours?
I want to say right around the beginning of April is when they tend to bloom.
So it isn't yours?
The cherry blossom festival. Rick, how did you guys do in terms of animals?
We got Tokyo.
Tokyo. What is Tokyo? I've heard of it.
What? It's the capital of Japan.
Okay.
He just asked what Tokyo is.
That's where Part 2 was placed. How can you not?
Ryland.
You watch Cars?
It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, bro, I don't think it's 2 weeks, and if you miss it, you miss it.
I'm part of the
Lightning
people.
McCree. Make it silver and
Oh, that hurts.
Lightning
Oh, you were in the one
McCree.
myself.
I'm married to a person who likes to
3, 2, 1.
One.
I love mechanical things.
Okay, I'm sorry. Who else has lived in Japan?
I've been to
Not
Japan.
Not me.
Okay, who has lived or visited Japan? Put your hand up.
Not me.
Okay, I just need your hand up if you have. 3 of you.
Not
Fascinating. Okay. All right. Prediction number 4. 6.
Oh, you.
Emily, can you get us through that one?
Where do you predict about population distribution and population density? Where do people live and why?
Okay, so the way that we would do this, with a population density map, usually the brighter colors like red are where a lot of people live,
And then like green and blue.
and then just kind of think of a rainbow, if you will. You know, orange is fewer people, yellow is fewer people yet. So could you draw some circles to show where you think most people in Japan live? And then why? So if you have not been writing, if you would switch with your partner.
Okay.
I've been writing. What do you mean, dude?
We both know.
That's fine.
This is my favorite one. Wait, hold on.
What do you
No,
think
it's
about
more
population distribution?
high speed like over here.
Where's Tokyo?
Yeah,
Where is Tokyo?
Don't tell us there. Don't.
I don't. I,
I got it. It's right there.
I'm gonna guess right.
We grab colors.
Is it right here?
You're closer. You're right
I
behind
see
you.
it right here. Because
Over here.
if the world was good, it's covering the Tokyo.
very
Anna, can you grab us some colors too?
So I know it's somewhere.
It's somewhere.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Monkeys.
You guys can do the rest.
You mean you can't? I'm
No.
sorry.
I want to go there and meet my family.
I went to
I want to go there.
England, France, and Rome.
Oh, three.
And in Rome, we got this sweet hotel that was like 2 stories. But the bad part about
And then my mom said, like, it's not me, I swear.
Apartment.
And then it was my sister, and then
Doesn't your mom live in Korea?
and then
I was like, why again?
but you
Oh yeah, I had that one.
your vomit will go farther than if it was shot out of a gun.
Me and my dad had that too.
It's like your mouth turns
I was like, but wait, your mom lives in Korea.
it's like it jets.
I'm married to your mom. Are you
Generous?
generous?
Your mouth and you also get that.
Okay, I just guessed. Is that what's wrong?
No, you're not.
Oh, I know where most of the people in Japan live. I beat the system.
What is the green?
No.
Oh my God, Tyler.
That's such a bad drawing.
Yeah, and they also live in the ocean.
Tyler, you gotta take a picture of it and show someone your phone. Be like,
Find the terrorist.
bro.
She said that she was
Okay, I go to bed.
You're going to switch seats with Rylan because you have a tendency to wander, and so you're going to switch seats with Rylan so that
Have your
it's
chair.
more difficult.
So I can swallow.
Okay, about 30 seconds. Will that do it?
What'd you say?
30 seconds.
Maybe.
Write down why you believe. Some of you have some really good predictions on your map, but you don't have the why.
How do you do that?
Just why the chicken crossed. Why the chicken crossed. No.
The whole island is full.
Okay, that was really
The island is full of people. Now you need a because. Help them with the because.
Because the population of Japan.
So, are you saying that this area is the most worse because of the rise?
I've had Dakota Dome before.
Turn to
My
O2 and
friend
turn
had a
to
job up here
O3,
before
dog.
he moved to Minnesota where he is right now. He made drones for a living. I did a bit of that. It was fun.
So it's a traffic light. So
There is.
Because nobody lives there.
And it
Some people live there.
Okay, gentlemen, I'm waiting for you to write a sentence with a because.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Because
And
He's the Liberian leader.
cities are.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Fear him. You're a king, apparently.
We did the world map without that.
Okay.
I know, I wasn't referring to
Wait, you
all.
can't be in the high school.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ichi-ni-san.
Itchy
But I'm counting backwards, so. But,
San-i-nichi.
Itchy Shand.
all right, my turn. Really very different responses as I walked around.
Yes.
So, Michaela,
Yeah.
what was your group thinking?
Well, no, I got this.
You think.
Alright, so we thought that Japan was very densely populated because when we did that world mapper assignment and that one map where it showed like the population distribution, Japan was a big old balloon.
And where did you think most people lived on the island?
I don't know, we kind of were discussing. Michaela thought that most people would live on the coast.
Yes.
And Emily kind of thought that it would be in the inland, like.
Okay, Jesse or Dave or Carissa, somebody wanna, because you guys have a very different answer.
I thought there'd be less people in the like big main interior part because there's mountains there.
Yeah.
It's hard to live in the mountains. Further looking mountains.
Rick?
Because we live in mountains.
After seeing where the rice fields and stuff like that were, I thought they'd live in those areas the most, and also down in the south because of the warmer temperatures.
Okay.
I think people will live around the coast because there's, like I said, like the mountain, like there's like elevation in the middle, and it's warmer around the coast, so I think people will be very warmer.
Do large bodies of water generally keep temperatures more mild or more extreme? Mild. Okay, so if you live near a large body of water, think of, we did this when we did climate way back in like October. Anchorage has warmer winters and cooler summers than Fairbanks because the warm temperatures associated with large bodies of water keep their temperatures more moderate, as opposed to Fairbanks where we go from -40 up to maybe 90.
96.
So, okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
A little drum roll. Ow!
You fool us. It's 98-14, boys. I just impaled my hand with the pencil.
That's right! Okay, so those of you, Rick's group, and Aiden and Jules, and Jesse's group, you guys really did a super job of making lots of connections. The interior has lots of mountains. People generally don't live in mountainous regions. You might live in a valley, but living in a mountain area becomes very difficult for transportation and other things. The rice fields that you mentioned, Rick, in your group, yep. The southern part does have more people than up here.
That's right.
And just for shock value, somebody tell me, so over here in Tokyo,
Japan.
I'm assuming you went to Tokyo at some
Many
point. Sir.
times.
Did you feel a little crowded?
It is very, very crowded.
Okay, so in Tokyo, more than 1,000 people
A mile.
per square mile. Somebody tell me what it is for Alaska. Go use your device or your iPad.
Mostly one.
Per
1 to
square
39.
mile.
It's one. It's like 1 to 2 people per square mile.
That would be more.
1 to 2 people per square mile.
Is that off the top of your head or do you have a source?
You told us that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So the question is, do you have a source?
Our source is you.
I'm going to be honest. I'm not remembering the source, so if somebody would verify that, I would feel far more comfortable.
If somebody catches
North.
In Alaska?